Can you guess the European Union countries by flags? Let's start the video. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Austria. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Belgium. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Bulgaria. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Croatia. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Cyprus. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Czech Republic. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Denmark. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Estonia. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Finland. Yes, European Union country. The answer is France. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Germany. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Greece. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Hungary. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Ireland. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Italy. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Latvia. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Lithuania. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Luxembourg. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Malta. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Netherlands. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Poland. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Portugal. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Romania. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Slovakia. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Slovenia. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Spain. Yes, European Union country. The answer is Sweden.